Nangamalari.
Aunty Munya, interesting question from today. Someone's writing a script for a movie and they've written in and asked, they want to come up with names for their characters, and they're asking if Aboriginal people name their children based on the local language.
Yeah, absolutely, they do, Carla. And if you're going to borrow a name from another nation, I would ask permission. Certainly, I know I've met people that have had names from different Indigenous nations, so I would just encourage people to ask permission from that nation specifically. Or unless you're lucky too, you get an Aboriginal person, maybe an elder or something, suggesting you call their child by a certain name, then I would follow that as well.
Yes, and as an ally, and I'm sure this person's doing it, I would, it's really showing that you value Indigenous knowledge and time. So I would actually pay someone to be a consultant on the script and to check those things and ask these types of questions to them. And it's also part of supporting Indigenous business as well and knowledge.
Absolutely. So good luck with that.
Yeah, good luck. And
in